So this is the first week that I'm taking these Nature's Bounties vitamins, and as you can see, I have some breakage here. My hair, and this is just all due to like basically stress and pulling my hair back this summer. Trying to be natural and not knowing what the fuck I'm doing. It's all missing, like right here. And then, as opposed to the other side, this is what it's supposed to look like. So I'm hoping with these vitamins I get that back. Right here as well. So, it's kind of coming back, but it's not quite there yet. And then this is what it looks like.
I like soap. Well, your mom used to have to rinse your mouth out with soap a lot, so the flavor would match. That's true. So you live in Rochester now? Is that where you grew up?
Yes, this is where I grew up, born and raised.
Any kids?
I have 3 kids.
Wow.
Yes.
What's up with your baby today?
We're not
It's gotten thicker, but
ago, you got this random phone call and how
I want it to fill in.
So I was selling